Hey, welcome to Lambdatest tutorial series. In this video, we will show you how you can integrate your GitLab account with our platform. From the menu bar in the left, select Settings and then click on Integrations. You will see a list of integrations. Now click on Install button next to GitLab icon. You will find two options to integrate your GitLab account with Lambdatest. That is via OAuth or Personal Access Token. Now let's look at GitLab via OAuth. Select OAuth option and click on Next. This will prompt you to add your GitLab username and password details. And that's it. You're all done for your GitLab integration via OAuth option. It's that easy, and now you will receive a notification about once the GitLab integration is successful. You're all set to push issues directly from Lambdatest to your GitLab account with just a click using OAuth. Now with the second option to integrate with GitLab using Personal Access Token, select Using Personal Access Token option and now log into your GitLab account and click on Settings under your profile on right hand side. Click on the Access Token option on left hand side menu bar and add a token name. Now check the API Read User and Read Repository selection box under Scopes, then click Create Personal Access Token. Your personal access code is generated now. Copy the same and go back to your Lambdatest account and paste it in the given token field and click Next. You'll receive a confirmation notification about once the GitLab integration is successful. And now you're all set to push issues directly from Lambdatest to your GitLab account using Personal Access Token option. Now whenever you mark an issue in Lambdatest platform, just select Project, Label, and assign the issue along with the description. Lambdatest will auto-create a new issue in GitLab. The new issue will include link to screenshots taken from Lambdatest, along with details like testing environments such as operating system, browser and its version, screen resolution, as well as issue description. In case you have any questions or you require any further information, you can chat with the team, or you can also drop us an email at support@lambdatest.com. We're here to help and we'd love to hear from you. Happy testing!